In this video, we're going to walk through how to install a Cash Acme HG135 mixing valve. Cash Acme provides an extensive range of thermostatic mixing valves for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. The Cash Acme HG135 can be used to mix hot and cold water to deliver tempered water at a consistent temperature, which provides anti-scald protection. The HG135 comes in a sleek chrome-plated finish that easily fits under or mounts behind a sink. It features a rapid response thermostatic element for superior control and protection in the event of a cold water supply failure. The 3/8-inch connection will connect either the 3/8 flexible hose connectors or a 3/8 tube compression fitting. To install, first shut off both the hot and cold stop valves and remove your existing supply line. Mount the valve bracket in a location that will easily reach all connection points. Now, connect the hot and cold lines to the mixing valve with threaded or compressed fittings and tighten. Connect the other end to the corresponding stop valve. Connect a supply line from the mixing valve to the hot water inlet of the faucet. Next, connect a supply line to the cold water bypass T into the cold water inlet of the faucet. Once all the connections have been made, turn on the hot and cold supply stops and check your connections for any possible leaks from loose fittings. Have peace of mind, delivering safe, tempered hot water in your home or business with the Cash Acme HG135.